The modal verb should is used when we want to give advice or suggestions to others. We also use it to tell others what is right or wrong thing to do. Let's see some examples. You shouldn't venture out in the dark. We should take our health seriously. Should we work overtime to finish the project? In the first two sentences, the speaker is giving an opinion and advice to others. In the last sentence, the speaker is seeking a suggestion. Modal verb should and semi-modal verb ought to can be used interchangeably while giving suggestions, opinions, or advice. However, when there is a strong sense of moral obligation or duty attached to advice or suggestions, you should prefer semi-modal verb ought to over should. Let's see some examples. We ought to respect and obey our elders. You ought not to hurt others with your candid opinions. We ought to keep our surroundings clean.